After completion of vacancy defect, you have to think about interstitial site, interstitial defect. After the completion of vacancy defect, you have to think about interstitial site or interstitial defect. Okay. What is interstitial defect? So first of all, what is interstitial site? ये समझो आप टाइप करें. Interstitial space. Interstitial space. So interstitial space means, or interstitial sites means, here see the picture. This portion is called interstitial portion. This is also interstitial. So some of the atoms shift to this position. So this is called interstitial site. So here one of the atom is present at interstitial space. Here also one of the atom is present at interstitial space. Here it is also called interstitial space. So it means interstitial space means વચ્ચે રહેલી ખાલી જગ્યા. Okay. So this is called interstitial defect. So when defect is created, atom shift to the interstitial site. Atom shift to the interstitial position. At that time, interstitial defect is created. Clear? Interstitial defects. Interstitial defects means when some of the constituent particles, whether atom or molecule, occupy an interstitial site. Again I repeat, when some of the constituent or particle may be atom or molecule, occupy interstitial site. એટલે કે વચ્ચે કોઈ ખાલી જગ્યા હશે, એ જગ્યા કોણ લઈ લેશે? તો બાજુનો એટમ, બાજુનો મોલેક્યુલ. એટલે જે વચ્ચે ખાલી રહેલી જગ્યાને શું કહેવાશે? Interstitial site. So some of the atom occupy interstitial site. The crystal is said to have interstitial defect. Clear? હવે અહીંયા એક લાઈન લખી છે, this defect increases the density of substance. આપણે લખવાની જરૂર નથી. There is no change in the density. તમે એને જ ક્રિસ્ટલમાં એક જગ્યાથી બીજી જગ્યા શિફ્ટ થાવ છો, તમે બહારથી નવું તો કંઈ એડ કરતા નથી. તો આમાં તમે એની ડેન્સિટીમાં તો ક્વેશ્ચન માર્ક છે નહીં, એટલે એ આપણે લાઈન નહીં લખીએ. એટલું લખશું કે there is no change in the density of substance. તો હવે લખો interstitial defect. Interstitial defects. લખો. When some of the constituent particles occupy an interstitial site, the crystal is said to have interstitial defect. Finished. Figure homework. Vacancy and interstitial defect as explained above can be shown by a non-ionic solid. Ionic solid must always maintain electrically neutrality. Rather than simple vacancy or interstitial defect, they show these defects as Frankel and Schottky defect. હવે આપણે બીજી બે નવી ડિફેક્ટ જોવાની છે. Frankel defect and Schottky defect ચેપ્ટરનો મોસ્ટ ઇમ્પોર્ટન્ટ ક્વેશ્ચન. પહેલા અહીંયા શું કે છે સમજો. Vacancy and interstitial defect as explained above can be shown by non-ionic solid. It means if you have to take any non-ionic solid, then both the type of defect observe vacancy defect as well as interstitial defects. But ionic solid must always maintain electrical neutrality. Ionic solid જે હશે એમાં electrical neutrality maintain થયેલી હશે એટલે stoichiometric defects આપશે. ઓકે એટલે એમાં બહુ તમે અત્યારે એવું હેડિંગ મારો જો હવે આપણે શું જોવાનું છે બે ડિફેક્ટ જોવાની છે એમાં પહેલું હેડિંગ મારો નેક્સ્ટ લખો ફ્રેન્કલ ડિફેક્ટ થર્ડ પોઈન્ટ કરો ઇન્ટરસ્ટિશિયલ ડિફેક્ટ લખ્યું ને હવે એનો થર્ડ લખો ફ્રેન્કલ ડિફેક્ટ્સ Frankel defects. This defect is shown by ionic solid. Smaller ion is dislocated from its normal side to interstitial side. હવે હું પહેલા તમને છે ને આની ફિગર સમજાવી દઉં તમને બધું ક્લિયર થઈ જશે. જો શું કે છે there are two ions positive and negative ion. Here it is, this is the part of Frankel defect. Figure is the Frankel defect. There are two ions positive and negative. Here the size of positive ion is smaller than negative. So what happened? Positive ion shift to the interstitial position. Here this positive ion અહીંયાનો પોઝિટિવ આયન હતો એ બેટા ક્યાં જતો રહ્યો આ વચ્ચે ખાલી જગ્યા છે એમાં ભરાઈ ગયો. Why it happens? Because the size of positive ion is so small. આ પોઝિટિવ આયનની સાઇઝ બહુ નાની છે એટલે વચ્ચે જે જગ્યા હશે એમાં આવી ગયો. But it create the vacancy at original site. એની પોતાની જગ્યા ઉપર શું ક્રિએટ કરી એને વેકેન્સી ક્રિએટ કરી જુઓ. Okay, so what is Frankel defect? So first of all, there are the difference in the size of cation and anion. Normally cation or positive ion is smaller than anion. So what happened? Cation is dislocated from its original site and move to the interstitial site and create vacancy at original site. એના લીધે એની original site પર vacancy create થશે. Okay, આગળ જાઓ. On interstitial site, it creates a vacancy defect at its original site and an interstitial defect at its new location. બરાબર જો ઓરિજિનલ સાઇટ પર શું ક્રિએટ કર્યું વેકેન્સી ડિફેક્ટ તો ત્યાં જગ્યા ખાલી પડી એટલે વેકેન્સી ક્રિએટ થઈ ગઈ અને નવી જગ્યાને શું કીધું ઇન્ટરસ્ટિશિયલ ડિફેક્ટ કારણ કે વચ્ચેની જગ્યામાં ભરાયો ને. ઓકે, Frankel defect is also called dislocation defect. Why it is called dislocation? તો એને એની પોતાની જગ્યા છોડી દીધી છે. So it is also called dislocation defect. એટલે એની ઓરિજિનલ જગ્યા પર એ છે જ નહીં એટલે ડિસ્લોકેટ થઈ ગયો. So it does not change the density of solid. જો એનાથી એની કોઈ ડેન્સિટી બદલાય નહીં એ અંદરની અંદર આપણા જ ઘરની અંદર આપણે એક રૂમમાંથી બીજા રૂમમાં કેમ જઈએ એવી રીતે શું કર્યું એને કે ભાઈ આ રૂમમાં જગ્યા છે તો અહીંયા ત્યાં જતો રહો તેમાં આપણી ડેન્સિટી ચેન્જ નહીં થાય. So there is no change in the density of crystal lattice. Frankel defect is shown by ionic substance in which there is large difference in the size of ions. For example, an example, ZnS, AgCl, AgBr, AgI. Clear? એના Ag વાળા બધા જ પણ બીજું એક એક્ઝામ્પલ કયું છે ZnS. હવે હું તમને છે ને પોઈન્ટ વાઇઝ લખાવું એ લખો ફર્સ્ટ હેડિંગ મારો Frankel defects. Frankel defect first point. Frankel defect first point. First definition. Smaller ion is dislocated from its normal side. Smaller ion is dislocated from its normal side to an interstitial site. આમાં જ કન્ટિન્યુ કરો. It creates a vacancy defect at its original site. It creates vacancy defect at its original site. And an interstitial defect at its new location. An interstitial defect at its new location. So this is the definition of Frankel defect. Now come to the second point. It does not change the density of solid. Second point. It does not change the density of solid. Third point. There is large difference in the size of ions. There is large difference in the size of ion. Example. ZnS, AgCl, AgBr and AgI. ZnS, AgCl, AgBr and AgI. Finished. Okay. Our next heading was Schottky defect. Next, Schottky defect. पहला फिगर पर आ दीजिए आप. Schottky defect. जो Schottky defect માં શું થશે? જો આમાં તમે shifting કર્યું બેટા. One of the ion is shift over here, but in Schottky defect, ions are missing from their original side. जो અહીંયાથી ion જ miss છે, ગાયબ છે. So equal number of ions are missing from their original side, whether two positive ion and two negative ion. So here this is the positive ion. One positive ion is missing. Here this is negative ion. One negative ion is missing. Okay. Here one negative ion is missing, and here one positive ion. So how many ion? Total two positive and two negative ion is missing. See here. Here it is negative. Here it is positive. Okay. Here it is negative, and here it is positive. So what happened in Schottky defect? Keep in mind, equal number of cation and anion are missing from their original side. So density of substance decrease. Clear? Density of substance decrease. Example, ionic compound NaCl, KCl, CHCl. Okay? चलो હવે હું તમને અહીંયા Schottky defect. It is basically the vacancy defect in ionic solid. Obviously vacancy is created. Clear? Because equal number of ions are missing. In order to maintain electrical neutrality, number of missing cation and anion are equal. Equal number of cation and anions are missing, and one more important part, the size of cation and anion are almost same. Frankel માં શું આવતું હતું? There are difference in size, small difference in size, but here size almost cation and anion size same. Like simply vacancy defect, Schottky defect also decreases the density. Decreases the density of substance. પેલામાં શું આવતું? Density remains same. આમાં શું આવે? Density decreases. The number of such defect in iron solid is quite significant. For example, in the NaCl, there are approximately 10 to the power 6 Schottky pairs per centimeter cube at room temperature. In 1 centimeter cube, there are about 10 to the power 22 ions. આ એક ડેટા છે. એ ડેટા તમારે યાદ રાખવાનો છે. thus there is one Schottky defect for 10 to the power 69. એટલે શું કે છે total number of ions how much 10 to the power જો 10 to the power 6 Schottky pair per centimeter cube at room temperature. In 1 centimeter cube there are about 10 to the power 22 ions. Thus there is one Schottky defect per 10 to the power 16 ions. Schottky defect is shown by ionic substance in which the cation and anions are almost the similar size. Ion size similar. પેલામાં કેવું હતું size difference. For example NaCl, KCl, CHCl. Okay. તો લોકો પહેલા heading માં notebook માં Schottky defect. હું લખાવી દઉં definition ને બધા points. લોકો first Schottky defect. Quick. So, in order to maintain electrical neutrality, the number of missing cation and anions are equal. The number of missing cation and anion are equal. Rejoin કરજો 5 મિનિટ માટે. સેકન્ડ 1 મિનિટ બાકી છે, rejoin થઈ જજો. Second point, decreases the density of substance. Third point, cation and anion are of almost similar size. અથવા એવું લખી નાખો size of cation and anion are almost same.